Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, this is your new number concept series book 2. Now open at page number 64. Children, in this page we will write counting 71 till 80. So children, before writing we will read the sequence 71 till 80. 7 tenths and 1 units make 71. 7 tenths and 2 units make 72. 7 tenths and 3 units make 73. 7 tenths and 4 units make 74. 7 tenths and 5 units make 75. 7 tenths and 6 units make 76. 7 tenths and 7 units make 77. 7 tenths and 8 units make 78. 7 tenths and 9 units make 79. 8 tenths and 0 units make 80. The children, we will read and write the counting 71 till 80. So let's start our writing. 7 10 and 1 unit 71. 7 tenths and 2 units make 72. 7 10 and 3 units make 73. 7 10 and 4 units make 74. 7 tenths and 5 units make 75. 7 tenths and 6 units make 76. 7 tenths and 7 units make 77. 7 tenths and 8 units make 78. 7 tenths and 9 units make 79. 8 tenths and 0 units make 80. So children, you will complete this page at home in the guidance of your parents. Now open at page number 65. So children, this is your progress test. You will write counting 1 till 40 here. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1 0 10. Children, you will complete this page at home forward counting 1 till 40. Okay, now children, turn the page number 66. You will write counting 41 till 80. Right? What come after 41? 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So children, you will complete these pages at home in the guidance of your parent. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.